It's that time of the year when I like to make spooky things. Today I'm making some Halloween themed ghost chips for which you need some tortilla wraps. It's so easy. Just take your favorite ghost cookie cutter or any cookie cutter that you desire, cut the wraps, and then lay them in a baking tray. Time to brush them with some olive oil. Make sure you brush all corners and then season them. Here I'm using some garlic salt and I'm also going to use some oregano and chili flakes. But if you're making them for kids, then probably chili flakes won't be a good idea. Goes in the oven for 7 to 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. They are all crisp and done. But I want to make them little spooky, so I'm using some ketchup to make small ghost eyes. And they are all ready. Serve them with your favorite dip. I'm serving them with some salsa, but you can also use guacamole or any sauce that you prefer. This is a simple one and makes such amazing Halloween ghost snacks.